The National Emergency Management Agency wants to ensure that all stakeholders are prepared should a disaster strike this hurricane season.
Well, today, NEMA partnered with the Pacific Disaster Center to highlight the importance of preparedness as they reflected on lessons learned over the years. Here's Carla Palmer.
For a second time since the hurricane season began on June 1st this year, members of the National Disaster Emergency Management Agency, NEMA, are participating in an educational workshop. This time, it's an exchange knowledge program with members of the Pacific Disaster Center based in Hawaii. In fact, this is the 5th year this partnership is taking place. Director of NEMA, Captain Stephen Russell, knows that sharing best practices could only be beneficial in mitigating against disasters this hurricane season.
One of the key lessons learned from an aftermath of Hurricane Joaquin was the coordination on the ground. I'm always mindful that the island administrators, the council members, and members of the local disaster committee, they were seriously impacted by Category 4 hurricane. And they, in their personal lives, were disrupted. Their office space was disrupted. So we can't expect persons who have gone through a traumatic experience to automatically just shake it off and go and take care of the affairs of the community. So from a NEMA standpoint, Central, we're now trying to see how we can coordinate teams, small teams, that we can deploy to those disaster-impacted communities to really support the administrator and their team in managing the event.
Workshop participants represent the Met Office, the Department of Public Health, Social Services, BTC Aviation, and others. Although working as a team, Captain Russell is encouraging these individuals to take a sectorial approach to learning.
How effective is your organization or your sector to carry out its functions towards assisting a community that would have been impacted?
Humanitarian Assistant Program Advisor of the Pacific Disaster Center, Steve Recker, is facilitating the workshop, which is being sponsored by the American Embassy. John Smith is with the U.S. Northern Command of the U.S. Embassy.
I'm looking at you as translators. You have your missions here in New Providence. You have your missions with your agencies and your institutions. Already know you have representatives in the Family Islands. But it's that translation of what we do here on New Providence at a national level to what gets done on the ground in the islands.
I'm excited about this year. This is the first year that we've done this format. We're moving out of the realm of just knowledge base passing back and forth at a higher level of emergency management, what the resources are and those sorts of things, down into a more of an operational level. Where you are going to be doing a lot of hands-on activities and hopefully walk away with a product that you have developed that's going to help you in your particular area of expertise.
The conference ends on Wednesday. Carla Palmer, SAT&S Network News.